Tay be getting her
ass.
Tay be getting fucked up by her man. Over there. Nyla got in it. Nyla got in it. Come out the hoodie. Yeah, they rolling. Oh, see, now they're trying to get in it too. Oh, they going crazy.
They gonna put that on Facebook.
This YouTube.
Y'all go ahead and knock this damn TV down.
Yeah, but knock that TV down.
Oh, he got spanked. Look, she came out at the end of the day on top. Uh-oh.
Oh, shit.
I know you ain't gonna let that happen, my boy.
Stop!
Oh, yeah, she hit the floor.
Stop!
Look,
Tried to snuff him?
uh-oh.
Stop! Stop! Play it one more time. Andrew! Tell him to stop. Alright!
This is a
That's
fucking
enough.
minute worth of fighting.
Yo, that's it. Y'all hit my baby. Y'all hit my baby. Y'all hit my baby.
Yo, stop it like that hurt you, girl.
Yo, wow.
Stop her like that hurt you, girl.
Where they hit you at?
Hold on, you gotta get her out the way to fight.
Oh,
You gotta get her out the way to fight. Get her out the way to fight. Get her out the way to fight. Oh, they killing each other. Oh, they killing each other.
Come on, we leave.
They killing each other. We leave, they gonna kill each other in this room. What you know? Where you walking to?
Get off me.
Wow, look at them. Oh, look. Oh, he's punching her in the ribs. He's giving her rib shots. Are you serious? Rib, look. And she's eating those. They going that long. They fighting.
Get off of me, you cheating. Why you got me?
Oh, she's eating the rib shots. Hold on, I gotta get a zone picture. Hold on, Naja.
Why you got me? Let me go.
Let it go. Oh. Oh, look. Oh, yeah. This is up close and personal now. Uh-oh, now she's getting slammed around. Everything's going on YouTube, guys. Yeah, this room is fucked up. You see everything? They fucked everything up. Yep. Well, I'm gonna wait till it go to about 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna chill, put it on YouTube. Share it with the tube. You dig? YouTube. Mr. Handsome Brum on YouTube, you heard? Uh-oh, let me reverse this. Okay. Oh, he slammed her. That was it. Hold on, Naja, I gotta get this on YouTube. Alright, I'm coming right now. Just give me a couple seconds.